Welcome to the Nova Armada channel, and hello to my future subscribers and to my loyal subscribers. Today's aircraft is the Austrian Airlines Airbus A321-111, with this aircraft wearing the Austrian Airlines special Johann Strauss livery from the late 1990s. Please watch to the end to see this aircraft's full history. This Airbus A321 was initially delivered to Austrian Airlines from the Airbus factory in Frankfurt, Germany on February 13th of 1996. Powered by two CFM International CFM 56 series high bypass turbofans, producing up to 30,000 pounds force or 129 kilonewtons at full power each. When initially delivered, the aircraft was painted in the standard red and white livery of the 1990s era. The aircraft was, and still is to this day in the middle of 2023, registered as Oscar Echo Lima Bravo Bravo. The aircraft was also named Pinzgau, named after a region of southern Austria. This aircraft has worn two special liveries during its early history. The first special livery, painted on in 1996, was considered the airline's Millenium livery, painted with several famous Austrian figures throughout its previous 1,000 years of history. This livery was replaced in 1999 with the special Johann Strauss livery, who had passed away 1 century earlier in Austria, as seen in these photos. While flying for Austrian Airlines, the aircraft had a range of around 3,200 nautical miles, or about 6,000 kilometers. The aircraft can be configured for passenger loadouts as low as 185 people for a two-class arrangement, or up to 220 people in an all-economy layout. And in around the year 2000, the aircraft was repainted in the standard Austrian Airlines livery of the day, which at that time consisted of a red and white fuselage and tail, with white engine pods as well. The next livery came around 2007, which added light blue to the belly and engine pods. The airplane would fly with this livery until 2018, when it received the most recent livery that is still current as of the middle of 2023. This new livery expanded the Austrian flag colors beyond the vertical stabilizer and increased the size of the titles along the forward windows. This airliner would suffer 2 minor incidents in its lifetime, with no injuries or damage involved. The first was in 2014, when a passenger's brand new computer tablet started smoking in its original packaging. The device was cooled down and the smoke production stopped by the aircraft's crew. The second incident occurred in 2019, when the aft galley's oven started emitting smoke. The oven's power was secured and the aircraft returned to Vienna to replace the oven. Otherwise, this aircraft has had an unremarkable career flying passengers around Europe. The video on the screen now is a 1/400 scale model produced by a company called Dragon Wings in 1999 and 2000. This particular model was one of 13 produced by various companies, with models produced in every major scale from 1/200 down to 1/600 scales. For any enterprise that is interested, this channel is available for advertising for your company. This opportunity is available for all reputable North American companies. Please contact me at the shown email address for details. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you watch my videos from start to finish, helps me get a larger distribution on YouTube, which brings in more subscribers that will then repeat this process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.